I made a chart for y'all that is a companion planting chart and a start guide for your gardens and what vegetables to start. And if I just go ahead and open up this new image here, I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. So you have your companion planting over here, and you have tells you what grows well together, beneficial to whatever you're planting. Combination helps bug control is brown. Um, this one's pertaining to carrots and tomatoes, and then the red is do not plant with this. So for like peppers, do not plant beans, broccoli, or cauliflower. And then right here, this is about the first start that you do: the broccoli, the Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, lettuce, onion, peas, radish, spinach, turnip, and kohlrabi. And how to plant them in a row space apart, how deep, in approximately typically mid-February to April 1st, depending on your area. And then the second group right here is where you plant your carrots and parsnips and stuff like that, Swiss chard, and that says March 15th to May. And so this gives you a flow of how you should be starting your seeds in your garden. So I think it'll be a useful chart. All you got to do is go over to my website right here, which is the link down below. It's Drops Family Garden. You just click on this download button right here, and you'll see right here, it'll take you straight to the download of this image that you see right here. And just a heads up, I am working on a companion planting page. It's not complete yet, if it loads. Okay. I'm working on one right now, so you'll see that you'll have something like plant asparagus with basil, carrots, whatever. Don't plant with garlic, potato, and onions. Growing tips, soil type and pH levels, and the fertilizer needs of this plant, like the NPK value 812-2. And I haven't got to this part yet, how to harvest, but I'll be in there too. So this will be another guide for you on my website. That the page is not available now, but you'll be able to see it later. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good garden this year.